Do you ever wake up feeling stiff, emotionally low, maybe overwhelmed, anxious, or just not even wanting to get out of bed? I just want you to know that I get it, it's okay, and I've been there. But every single time I start my day with a gentle Tai Chi morning routine, everything shifts. The stiffness softens, the heaviness lifts, and by the end of it, I feel calm, energized, and very clear. And then what I notice is that I actually feel confident. Confident in myself, confident in my body, and confident that whatever the day brings, I got this. It's a pretty cool feeling, and I would have never felt that way just starting my day off normally. So in this 15-minute Tai Chi morning routine, I'm going to get you to that place mentally and physically. Just connect your body to mine, follow along, and let Tai Chi do what it does. Welcome in. So glad to be with you this morning. It's always important to warm up before you do any Tai Chi, so we won't spend too long, but let's just start by doing some common movements that involve shaking, swinging, and spiraling as you stand shoulder width apart and just relax your body. Just let some things go, let some tension go, feel the alignment. And we'll start shaking a little bit. Nothing too strenuous. It's just a bouncing of the knees, the hands, maybe the shoulders, all very gentle. And just like the famous saying, shake it off. And to get some movement going, you can turn your waist a little bit to the front corners as you shake, with a small little smile on your face, finding places in your body that just need to release. You can shift the weight from side to side, or just find ways that you can shake. And just let it out and slowly come to a stop. And next up, we're going to swing the arms, which really happens by turning the waist, and the arms are just along for the ride. You turn the head and the navel to the front corners at the waist, but your knees remain mainly facing forward. So just isolate the waist, turn it, and let the arms flop along the body somewhere. It's very gentle. Just let go of your thoughts and swing. Activate the knees. You can shift the weight just a little bit as you swing the arms and turn the waist. So turn into the leg that you're shifting into, staying upright. Feel your feet underneath the arches, flat on the ground, and push off the feet, letting one leg fill up with a little bit more weight. Feel a full body connection as you start to come to a stop. And lastly, we always want to warm up the knees, so bring your feet together, bend your knees a little bit with your hands on your thighs, and just do these knee spirals, making small circles in one direction, very small. Just activating the lubrication around the knee joints. And then going in the other direction. Very gentle, very small. Using the spiral for fluid movement. And now we're warm, so we'll stand shoulder width apart again. And all of the movements we'll be doing now can be found in the Yang Style 24 short form, and we'll do each movement 6 times. For opening form, let your hands just float up to shoulder height. And then pull back at an angle and sink down with a straight back, bending your knees a bit. Imagine your hands filling up with fresh energy from the earth, bringing it over your body and down, back into the earth, like a circle. like a spiral. Rising and falling, inhaling up and exhaling down. Getting your circulation and your energy moving. And as you're sunken down here, turn your right foot out just a little bit. Shift into it and step your left foot forward, shoulder width apart. Raise your hands, shift forward and push. Shift back and step back. Step the other foot out and push. Move slow. And move the whole body as if it's a mountain. Sturdy and steady. Not overextending. Just releasing from the heart. And for Tai Chi's most popular movement, let's step out into a wider horse stance, scooping the left hand across the body. As the right hand faces in, bring this shape, shift into the left leg, turn the waist to the left, and switch hands. And bring that shape to the other front corner. Switch the hands, then shift the weight and turn the waist as you stay upright. More weight into the left leg, and then shifting a little bit more weight into the right leg. The knees don't really move. Just like swinging the arms, you're simply just turning your waist and the arms are along for the ride, switching them at the corners, shifting and turning. See if you can feel soft in your shoulders and float like a cloud in the sky. Back into the right leg, let the right hand fall down as you step back to shoulder width apart. And hold a ball with your right hand on top. You're going to shift into the right leg and bring the left leg onto a toe and step out to the left front corner. Pull the right hand down and the left hand up at a diagonal. Hold the ball again, right hand on top, stepping back and stepping out again and turning the waist to that front left corner. Step the left foot back, drop the hand, and we'll try the other side, holding a ball with the left hand on top, shifting into the left leg, right leg steps on the toe, steps out to the front right corner, and opens with the right hand up, left hand down. Step back to this cat stance, step out to the corner. Turn your waist a little inwards, step and open it up. Stepping back, dropping the hand. We'll hold the ball again, right hand on top. Same movement with the legs, and this time stepping to that front left corner, raise your left hand in front of your chest while the right hand holds a ball behind it. Hold another little ball, shift back, pull down, and throw it away. Holding a ball in front of your chest, rotate the ball to your left hand on top, right hand on bottom, bring it down, turn the waist to the right and throw it away. One more time, holding the ball in front of the chest, shift forward, and then have that right hand go over the top as you open both hands and step back. We'll try the left hand holding the ball on top. Shift the weight into the left leg while the right leg is on the toe. Step the right foot out to the front right corner. Hold that ball in front of the chest, then rotate it to the right hand on top. Bring it down and up and out. Protect your space and anything coming in you connect to, and let it go through an open door. And one more time, bring that left hand now over the top. Open up both hands like a mummy and step back. And now bring your left hand like a clock over in front of your face, out to the right side of your body while your right hand comes up and rests over your ear, and then step your left foot out to the front left corner as you brush the left hand over the knee and push the right hand. Rotate the hands and step back. Brush over your left knee with your left hand and push the right hand over the top into the position. Step, brush, push. Stepping back, we'll try it for the other side. Bring your right hand up like a clock over in front of your face while the left hand comes up, shifting the weight into the left leg. Step the right leg out. Brush the right hand over the leg and push the left hand. Step back, switch the hands, stepping to that front right corner now. Brush over the leg and push. In the flow. Step back, lower the hands. And finally shift into the right leg again. As the left foot goes on the cat stance, the palms face up and turn into fists as you step out, raising the fists to the level of the ears. Palms up, step back, into the fists, stepping out and striking. Pulling in and circling out. And step back and try the other side. Step the right foot to the front right corner. Find the spiral of the arms in as you step back, and stepping out, spiral out. And step back. Adjust your weight, and from here we'll just collect all of the fresh energy that surrounds you and hug a tree in this standing meditation pose for 2 minutes. Make any adjustments in your body to release any tension. Breathe however feels natural. Look off into the distance, calming yourself, charging yourself, finding stillness. Continue to let go of any unnecessary tension within as you enjoy tranquility. You can start bringing your hands towards your lower abdomen, staying connected to the feeling in your palms. Place them beneath the navel, one hand over the other, and bring your mind there. Breathe naturally. Return this positive energy inward. Whether you're still standing or having a seat, I want you to take a moment to really observe some things. Is your body activated and energized? How is your mind? Are you calm, awake, and clear? Do you feel like you're ready for whatever the day brings? Are you confident that you can do and be your best today? Well, you might not know it, but the literal translation of Tai Chi is grand or supreme ultimate. It is the pinnacle of potential that we achieve when we are in balance with ourselves and the world. So I do want you to notice how this feeling permeates into your day and how it does just change everything. And know that this feeling is accessible to you each and every time you play Tai Chi, even for just a few minutes like you just did today. And if you want to keep building this feeling every day, you'll find more flows and deeper Tai Chi guidance in the links below. And get out there and enjoy the beauty that today is.